Okay. So the next question is prove that cos 11 degrees plus sin 11 degree by cos 11 degree minus sin 11 degree is equal to cos 34 degree or tan 56 degrees. So that is the first we have to take that LHS. That is what is LHS? Cos 11 degree plus sin 11 degree by cos 11 degree minus sin 11 degree. So, but in this problem can be solved in two ways. So, one method is a tan A plus B form, another one is sin C plus sin D or cos C minus cos D form. So, it can be solved. It can be solved in two ways. One first method. First method, tan A plus B formula. Second method, cos C plus cos D formula. So in the end examination, if it is given the 5 marks question, then we apply the form cos C plus cos D, or if it is given for 3 marks question, we apply the tan A plus B form. So here it can be solved by using cos C plus cos D form. So that is the first cos 11 degree plus sin 11 degree by cos 11 degree minus sin 11 degree. That is a cos 11 degree. So if there is a cos in this formula, either both cos are involved or both are sin involved. Cos 11 degree plus, and it can be written as sin of 90 minus 79. That is 90 minus 79. Minus 79. That is 11 can be, this can be written as a form and it can be written as sin of 90 minus 79 by cos of 11 degree minus sin of 90 minus 79. That is sin 11 can be written as sin of 90 minus 79. So we know that a cos of 11 degree, sin of 90 minus theta, nothing but a cos theta by cos of 11 degree minus cos of 79 degrees. So here what is the formula? The formula is sin of 90 minus theta, nothing but a cos theta. So taken this is a 1. So therefore this is nothing but cos 11 degree plus cos 79 degree by cos 11 degree minus cos 79 degree. This is a 1. So first it can be solved that cos 11 degree plus cos 7 degree. First solve first one, and second one cos 11 degree minus cos 79 degree. For first part, cos 11 degree plus cos 79 degree This form is cos C plus cos D. Compare cos C plus cos D. C is nothing but 11 degree and D equal to 79 degree. So we have to that cos C plus cos D. What is the formula for cos C plus cos D? That is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. So we get that 2 cos of C value 11 plus 79 by 2 cos of 11 minus 79 by 2. So therefore, and we get that 2 cos of 90 by 2 cos of, and this is nothing but what is the value? The value is equal to minus 34 degrees. Minus 34, that is 9 lone 8, 60, 68 by 2. So therefore, this is nothing but 2 cos 45 degrees cos of minus 34 degrees. So this is 2 into 1 by root 2 cos 45 1 by root 2 cos of 34 degree, because cos of minus theta is nothing but a cos theta. So it can be written as a root 2 into this value equal to root 2 by root 2 into root 2 by root 2 into cos 34 degrees. Root 2 cancel, we get that root 2 into cos 34 degrees, and this is taken as 2. And next we can solve that cos C minus cos D, that is cos 11 degrees cos 17 degree. Solve. So compare cos C minus cos D. C equal to 11 degree and D equal to 79 degree. So the formula for cos C minus cos D. What is the formula for cos C minus cos D? That is nothing but a 2 sin of C plus D by 2 and a cos of sin of D minus C by 2. We substitute the values. 2 sin of 11 degree plus 79 degree by 2 sin of 79 degree minus 11 degree by 2. Therefore we get the 2 into, this is nothing but a sin 90 by 2 sin of 9 38 68 by 2. So we get that 2 sin 45 degree sin 34 degrees, 2 into sin 45 nothing but 1 by root 2. So therefore it can be written as a root 2 into root 2. 2 can be written as a root 2 into root 2. Root 2 cancelled. So we get that root 2 into sin 34 degrees taken as 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. We get that, what is the one? That is nothing but a cos 11 degree plus cos 79 degree by cos 11 degree minus cos 79 degree, that is equal to root 2 into cos 34 degree by root 2 into sin 34 degree. Sin by cos, that is nothing but a cos 34 degree by cos 34. Sorry, cos 34 by sin 34. That is cos by sin. cos by sin is nothing but this is nothing but a cos 34 degrees, and this can be written as cos 34. Cot 34 can be written as cot 90 minus 56 degree, and this is nothing but tan 56 degrees, or it can also be written as a tan 56 degrees. So how it can be solved? So first, the form is a cos 11 degree plus sin 11 degree by cos 11 degree minus 11 degree is equal to cot 34 degrees or tan 56 degrees. So for this problem it can be solved in two methods. One is by using a formula for tan A plus B. So another method is cos C plus cos D formula. It can be given for 5 marks question, use that cos C plus cos D. If it is given for 3 marks question, use that tan A plus B form. So first, if it can be solved by using the cos C plus cos D form. First, cos 11 degree plus sin 11 degree by cos 11 degree minus sin 11 degree. So we need both are cos or both are sin. So for this one, both are cos, we need both are cos. So for that, the sin will be converted into that, 11 degree can be converted sin of 90 minus 79 degrees. So therefore it can be sin of 90 minus theta is nothing but a cos theta. So finally we get that cos 11 degree plus cos 79 degree by cos 11 degree minus cos 79 degree. So this form is cos C plus cos D by cos C minus cos D. So therefore, so first it can be solved that cos C plus cos D, that is cos 11 degree plus cos 79 degree. So we get that the C equal to 11 degree and D equal to 79 degree. So cos C plus cos D nothing but a 2 into cos C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2, and we simplify, we get that root 2 into cos 34 degree. And next one, cos 11 degree minus cos 79 degree, the C is nothing but 11 degree and D equal to 79 degree. This form is cos C minus cos D. Cos C minus cos D nothing but a 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin D minus C by 2. Substitute that C and D, and if we simplify, we get that root 2 into sin 34 degree. Substitute that 2 and 3 in 1, we get that root 2 into cos 34 degree by root 2 into sin 34. Cos by sin nothing but a cot 34 degree. Or it can also written as 34 degree can be written as 90 minus 56. So therefore cot of 90 minus theta, cot of 90 minus theta is nothing but tan theta, that is cot of 90 minus theta, here we written as